Hello YouTubers, welcome to our trip to Costa Rica, where the Pura Vida takes its whole meaning. This video is in two parts, so make sure you click the part 2 at the end. Costa Rica is an easy country to travel on your own. We recommend that you bring an unlocked smartphone to help you through your travel. Right after picking your luggage, you'll find a reliable phone company. They only sell $40 package. We instead asked him to sell us the SIM card only, which came back to $2 and have enough data to guide you to the nearest corner store for you to refill it at a cheaper price. $10 was way enough to cover our 3-day trip. Also reserve in advance or rental car through Hotwire. Hotwire is a search engine that will help you to get the best deal out there. We had a rental car for only $10 per day plus $35 for insurance per day. To be allowed to drive in Costa Rica, you will need a valid driver license plus your passport. Driving in Costa Rica is relatively easy and safe if you pay attention. First destination, our Airbnb rental, which was only $30 per night for a private room with a private bathroom. I love this place and I wouldn't hesitate to come back here. If you want to try Airbnb, click on our referral link. You will benefit from a $50 credit. On the next morning, we wake up at 6 a.m. to enjoy a very special tour.
So we're heading to the Poas Volcano. It's a little car we rented, and it's time to have breakfast. Hola, ¿cuántos empanadas con carne?
900 colones.
Dos, por favor.
Dos. Para llevar.
Gracias.
Gracias.
It's super yummy. It's with meat.
It's really thin. The crust, really thin. And the meat is all so good.
Yum yum. So now we're at Poas Volcano. We took a 1 hour.
It's 1 hour and a half.
Car ride up the mountain. It was up, and now we are walking towards the crater. It should take about 15 to 20 minutes.
Yeah.
Made for me. You were 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 made.
The Poas Volcano is one of the 7 still active volcanoes in Costa Rica, at the altitude of 2,708 meters. His last eruption was in 2011. Locals around the mountain receive daily ash from this volcano. We did try to put our drone up there, but the security quickly told us to bring it down. Being this close to the volcano makes me feel so small compared to the destructive power that is resting inside there. Further up, you'll find another crater that became a lake. Don't get fooled by the blue water. It's very acid and toxic. Still beautiful though. We also met an adventurous fellow Canadian couple up there.
Bonjour, je m'appelle Isabelle.
Ouais, Alain.
On vient tous les deux de Montréal et on est à la Joula, au volcan Poas. c'est super beau. On aime le Costa Rica. On trouve que c'est une très belle destination.
Merci. Thanks, Isabel and Alan. We hope you guys have a very good trip.
You were made for me. 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 You were made for me.
So now we're done with the Poas Volcano. Well, it's time to go get something to eat and some souvenirs. We're gonna drive down the little street because everything is very expensive here. So we're gonna drive down the little street. There are many local vendors. Food with a view. We're gonna go eat right here. Look at that view. If you guys don't know what plantain is the most delicious thing on earth, and this is with cheese.
Next, La Paz Waterfall Garden. Beautiful garden with animals, birds, and 5 falls that will delight your sense. You don't fly?
Let's go.
If you guys would like to see more of our adventure, look for our part 2, where we will show you guys Jaco Beach and more.
So guys, the roads here are not great. We hit a bump and guess what happened? We now have a flat tire with the rental. That Takio has to change now. Just
We're
great.
in the middle of the mountain.
Yeah, so we had to put those things here so people don't hit us on the road. But then this truck slowed down for us and stalled. Are we almost done?
I have 2 nuts. Too tight.
And we're done. Back on the road.
Thanks for watching, guys, and as usual, hit that like button if you liked the video, as it helps us so much on making more. Let us know your comments. We are uploading every Tuesday, so make sure to subscribe.